It's not the question if there is life after death. The real question is, what problem would it solve anyway? And if heaven is a solution, then we need to ask, what created the need for it? We think religion is about God, about truth, belief, the structure of the universe. Something external, something absolute. But what if that's not where it starts? Instead of asking what religion explains, ask, what does religion solve? Because every system that survives solves something real. Religion solves fear of death, uncertainty, lack of control. It gives structure, meaning, continuity. Not necessarily truth, but stability. Religion works because it aligns with the human system. You fear ending, so it gives you eternity. You fear chaos, so it gives you order. You fear meaningless, so it gives you purpose. It fits perfectly. That doesn't make it false, but it changes something important. It means religion might not be a discovery, but a response. Religion is not just belief, it's a system. A system that stabilizes perception, organizes reality, reduces uncertainty. A system designed for humans. Go back. Fear creates pressure. Soul defines continuity. Heaven solves the problem. Religion connects all of it. Not randomly, systematically. Now ask the real question. If religion is a system, can it be replaced? Not destroyed, not disproven, replaced. Religion was never just about God. It was about solving a human problem. And the moment you understand that, you stop asking if religion is true and start asking what could replace it. If you like to know more, subscribe. Visit my website, transhumation.com. Thanks for watching. Lucius Dempsey, the Hi-Fi Preacher.